Want to unlock the secrets behind where your website traffic is really coming from? Let's jump into Looker Studio and build a GA4 source medium report in under 90 seconds. First, create a new blank report in Looker Studio. Click Add Data and select your Google Analytics for account and the relevant property. Make sure you're choosing the correct GA4 data stream. Now, add a table to the report canvas. In the Dimensions section, drag source medium from the available fields. Then, in the Metrics section, add Sessions. Sort the table by sessions to see your top performing source medium combinations. At the top, click on the Sessions column header to sort. Refine your data by adding a filter. Click on the table, then add a filter. You can filter by specific date ranges, exclude certain source medium combinations, or focus on specific campaigns. Customize the table's appearance by adjusting the colors, fonts, and sizes. In the Style tab, make it visually appealing and easy to understand. Enhance your report with a scorecard showing the total number of sessions. Add a scorecard and select Sessions as the metric. And there you have it, a clear and insightful GA4 source medium report in Looker Studio. Use this to optimize your marketing strategies and drive even more targeted traffic to your website. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful analytics tutorials.